Yes. And other subjects, how is it? Better. Better than maths? Yeah. But maths is the least? No. Which subject you got full? Which subject you got more than 37? So I guess each are the two. Maths again. Maths and maths. Maths is at 37. Yeah. And which subject you got more than 37? Okay. S. What is how many you got S? 39 out of 40. S. No. Next time 40 even promise. Yes, Priyanki. You have. You said you have the English. I think you bought. You driving body mother, okay? What happened? Silly mistake you have. You are studying. This man came over here and thinking, and then he went. So that means you don't do regularly, or which subject got maximum marks? In which subject you got more marks? SST, how much? 39. SST all are 39. You also 39. As a full school is 39. No. In your class, you got 40 and 40 maths. Yes. Yeah. Who is this? Funny. Funny. Is it Palak? No, I said Pal. Pal? Acha, Pal, Palak, funny. Your paper has come, maths ka? Today was maths test, na? How was your maths test? This means how much? Very good means how much? Out of? Your paper has come? Sit down. Sit down now. 32 is less mark, my dear. I call mommy. Mommy. Called, no? My mom. Achha, mom called. Mom, what call? From UT. For office. You are not coming. Got a call means for some UT means what not. Mom did not know what is it, what they said. She did not know. Stars pride was not able. Okay, what your mom is working? No, she's at home. And yet, she's a teacher. Where? No, on tuition. Tuitions. Oh. Huh? SST. That's why she got 39. I teach maths, she got 32. She's good teacher, no? Mom. Tell her to teach maths also. Huh? I'll tell. I practice maths. What up? All of a sudden you become sick also. Before yeah, you are not absent. Now you are okay. You ready? Stay away. You don't need anything. Mommy don't. Mommy teaching only does. She doesn't cook. No. She cook, but you don't do it. So let's start. Where is attendance you can given to your. Okay, so which chapter to start? Is it properly you're showing the term here? Right? I make your own rules. I also make your own rules. Get mark, okay? Not this. Yes. You better know. What you have to tell or oil. Okay, so which chapter to start? Oil. That is okay. Done. That is done. Yeah, according to this point. Which are chapters left out with the area? Who taught you? Area are they not parallelogram and construction there is not there.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Sir,
that not bad. Surface area completed, circle completed. Circle also partly you are not there. Circle we completed, surface area we completed. You have to do it. Surface area, see. See, these all surface area tools. Okay, now. Near school, what is going on? Statistics. Sir? Why are you coming late? Where are you going? Ravish, for you only he shifted now. Why you did not come last time? He himself. Huh? Huh? I was sleeping. You sleeping? Oh, nice. I was sleeping. Where is your partner? She is also sleeping. But it's a irregular way it is going on. Achha, statistics will do or what? Huh? We will wait till 5 o'clock. Or?
yes, sir.
Hello? Hello? Please stand up. Please stand there. Where do you stay, by the way?
Sector 18.
Sector 18 from here. How do you come?
Cycle and auto.
Cycle and auto. First you do cycling, then you go to.
Sir, sometimes I come by auto.
Today you come by what? How long it will take?
10 to 15
10 to 15 minutes. What time you come to? Why don't you start early?
Sir,
Why don't you start early? Wait now.
sir, I was actually
Wait.
waiting for her.
So the Shito comes once in a blue moon. Are hello? Look here. You don't wait for anyone. See, always what? When did you come? After 1 month.
20.
420. When did you come? 420.
No.
So be here before time. Every day you come here. Yes, whether she there or not there, you always come late, na?
Sir, I used to come.
I am used to coming late.
No, sir, I used to come early only.
So next class onward, before I enter, you are there. Promise? Okay, you sit down. Next, what happened to you? Today is your birthday. Huh? Once tire got punctured today only, no? I'm not, we are exam got over when, you know? You know when your exam got over? When? She also did. 28, huh? Monday, did you come on Monday? Why? Before that, how many days you missed? You said you started fighting, do surface area. I started. When chutti for what? And she doesn't need to study. Yeah. So you think that all chutti? Okay. See, look here, if it is not regular means these and after that, when after exam, it's so mark is less. Okay, so we will do the. They all designate the mark. Yeah, what is it? Worksheet from where?
Coordinator, sir.
Look here. You know there are doubt solving sessions. Are there? Have you heard about? Have you heard about?
Yes, sir. Like last time I was about to, but.
No, then what happened? This Sunday also there was doubt solving
Yes, sir.
session.
I was about
This Saturday. Then what happened? Something stopped. What?
It got locked.
So these are timings are there, no? So come on the doubt solving, not in the resource. Okay, if it is based on the chapter, circle any problem, then we have done the circle. Based any doubt is there. Surface area, any problem with it is also done. So these are the recent chapters only we will do. Hello, I need next class onwards everyone's practice. Huh? Then let's do 10 sums a day. What happened? Then what? Last year it was over. It was over, no? Circle is over, surface area is over. Well, we will do something. You will be quiet. You will do all these things and all drama you will. Now, statistics. Okay. So listen. And now I'm telling you, it's over. Listen here. Daily basis, how many sums? 10 sums. Hello. I'll talk to your mummy only. No, I will not tell Rai if you have any problem, I'll talk to your mom. And whenever you are absent means that many days sums will be exam. Yeah. My Ismail is doing everything. Is it? You do now? Yes. You have any problem to do? Why you taking mobile? Okay. Yeah. Hello. Practice. Those are to get 30. You don't need 10 is enough. Your schoolwork also. 5. Okay, you want 10, 20. Competition is going on. 5 more I do now. Only 5. Then write and get a letter from your father. So he is satisfied. If he tells Seki, I'll tell. Okay, 7. Huh? 7. Below 10, get your father's letter. No problem. Sisters also will do. Sister will stop you. Okay. You have any problem? Tell me now. What is the problem? She wants 5. That is her case. You get a letter from your family. Huh? No problem. So how many of you wanted to do 5 only? Then I know issues. Huh? Get from me a letter from both the parents. Okay.
So can I call it after exams?
When is your exam?
This Saturday morning.
This Saturday month. So you do practice that sums. I'm not going to give now some. For the exam time, chapter topics you do. Okay.
Any chapter.
Your any chapter in the second term chapters you do it. Circle, surface area, volume. Okay. Then quadrilaterals, these all type of chapters. Okay, don't do probability 10 something. Around formula also you can do. You check, look here. If first is the whatever UT has given the homework, you do it. Beyond that. Okay. Anshul, you are also hearing now?
Yes, sir.
But first is UT homework, then look, both are I am not to talk. She was so quiet when you came only you are there talking. I'll make you to shift this. Hello. Yeah. I'll shift you from there the other side, and you will be spared. Huh? No, that we will take. When she was alone that time, you did not think about her? No. So don't talk this one. Okay. Yeah. So whenever you know when is the next exam?
Yes.
Ram Shetako.
8.
No.
8. 12. 8.
Okay. For that one, do you know which are the chapters? Around. So do first to properly do it that one. Do it that one. Okay. Understood. Then, Jan, you do a lot of chapters you have, so do it. Okay. Are you looking at the final exam? How many chapters will be? Only 2? 6. Almost full book. Okay. So you check with and do the chapters which all are coming. Understood? My dear, whatever I said, no, whichever the chapters are there, do bring it. Your statistics whole school has done? Started. Who's completed? You're done. Dia, stand up. Yes, you know the statistics part now? Yes. So graph is there? No graph. You have graph is there in your syllabus for you. Later don't tell sir graph also not there. Sit down. Okay. Bar graph and histogram only there. Nothing else. Okay. Huh? Now what happened behind me? Huh? Look, Rahi, you be quiet. You make all these drama and I have to change it and then you will not get. I know Gary that you will be there in the next class. Yeah. Statistics. Yeah, statistics we have in this chapter. We have first is the data, how to make the different table we will make, and after that we will start about how to calculate the mean, median, mode. Okay. Yeah, for you everything is deleted. She will tell everything is deleted. And when the result mark is coming, then when your paper has come, I heard you got the paper. You are going to get full mark. That is the thing your friend said. So I know a lot of friends of yours. You all be full big mouth over there now. Nobody is your friend. So you are expecting a full mark now? 35. Let's some paper come. Okay now. Next is listen. So first is about the data statistics. Okay. Avni is sleeping. Yeah. So statistics first is the data, how to tabulate the data. Beginning, certain parts are very easy to do it, how to frame the data and all. Okay, how to make a frequency distribution table and all. Okay. Over there, certain values, certain points you have to see that what is the meaning of class mark. What do you mean by class mark? So the true class limit. Okay. Then class size, class width, okay, lower limit, upper limit, these all things are there. So you are not studied anything, okay? Do you stand up? Come in. If you are talking, means I'll throw you out. She's going to sit with this one. Don't look this side and talk, okay? Where is your volume? Why? You have how many chapters? How many subjects you have today? Only maths. So next class onward, those who don't bring this on 10 sums daily will come to double, no? 26. You have a volume, no? Kept for mommy to study, study something. Okay, no. So this is the first part is the introduction part. Okay, introduction part, I know there are data. You know what I mean by data? Data, you know what is data? The data is collected. You know what is it? Some information is gathered. Suppose if I ask the students, okay, you give the mark of the students, that is a data. Okay, or tell me the height of you people, that is another data. Class, everyone give your height. Or what is the height weight? I need to find a height and weight relation, that is a data. Okay, collected. This data, now look here, if it is in your school, okay. In the school, let's say come over this one. Suppose if it is, I need the marks. So I am coming to your school, for example. Okay, I wanted to study about your marks of the students of your school. Okay, maths mark. I will come to the classroom and they'll ask one by one class. What is the mark? What is the mark? That way I can get the data. Instead of that, I'll go to your class teacher. Okay, I can take, she has the teacher, ma'am has the data. That also I can collect. Directly, which I am collecting, that data is called which data? Primary data. Do you follow? The data is collected directly. That is called the primary data. If it is collected from other source, it is called secondary data. Okay. So if I take it from the secondary data, or even know your UT also, if I this one, all of your marks are there in your this one, in the UT is there, computer is there. I collect from you or from this one. Okay, so data will be there. So primary data, secondary data. This much is followed. After that, we will tabulate this data. We will tabulate this data. So now I will. Suppose there are 500 students are there. I go out of the marks of 500 students. I will write one by one. Let's say it is marks out of let's say 40. Then one got 40, 39, 32, 32. Like that. 500 numbers is coming. Such way I can put the data. Then another way I can do grouping the data I can do. What is the grouping means, if there are 40, there may be 10 rupees. So 40, 10. Okay, 35, 8, 36, 25, 39, like that. That is another way. Another way I can make it in the class interval. So this way I can make it the class interval, like for example 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. It's how many? Okay, that's 25 there, 36 is there, 100 is there, okay, 85 is. Okay, that means its meaning is, this is called the frequency delay. Again, I will count. There are 25 students are getting marks from between 0 to 5. There are 36 students are getting marks from where to where? 5 to 10. Then 100 students are getting marks from, is another way of writing the data. So different way representing the data. First is, so the values are given. So you have to, first part is you have to learn about how to make into the data. Once the data formed, then we will calculation based on to learn. Okay, class average, you must always in the school teachers, average of the class is less, class average, all these one. Okay, even progress card also average mark and all these things are there. Okay, so these are calculations we are doing. Percentages, percentiles. What about percentages? What is your percentage? What is your percentile score? Yes, what about. Okay, do one thing. Next class, when you are coming, you tell me what is the difference between percentage and percentile. You'll explain now. What is the difference between percentage and percentile? So, what is the difference? Yeah, just simply terms you tell me. Okay, don't forget. I forgot. Okay. Here you will remember what? Yes. Okay, okay, now open your this one. Volume, all of you. Volume is opened. Okay. No, what happened? Okay. Yeah, who is having the volume? Acha. All of you have the volume. Who is going to read? I'll make some of you to read. Who read? She. Acha, your thing you are showing to her or your. Okay, that's it. Who knows?
Introduction. Data fact or figures collected with the definite purpose of data. Statistics in a branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation, and analysis of data, as well as drawing of meaningful conclusion from the data. Statistical data are two types. Primary data. When an investigator collects data himself with a definite plan or design in his or her mind, it is called primary data. Secondary data. Data which are not originally collected, rather obtained from published or unpublished sources, are known as secondary data.
Are you followed what is the difference between primary data and secondary data? Not secondary data. I said no. Simple example. I said I need all of your marks of this one. I can ask one of you, everyone, what is your mark? What is your mark? What is your mark? Everyone. That I collected myself. That data is called primary data. Okay. Secondary data means from sources. I go to the UT, because they will put in the computer now. So that data is called secondary data. Generally, have you heard about census and all? Census, have you heard about? Yes, social studies, Ferdinand Mark. Census, have you heard about? Yes, what is census? Census. Of what? Census taken anyone? It's about everything. Now, every 10 years, generally, previously used to be there. Some people will come. People with, yes, 5 years. That is 5-year plan is different. Okay. This is 10 years generally. Okay. Because entire houses they come, they will ask all the details, entire things. Okay. Enumerators, we say, they will come and take out all. They will come and collect all the data. How many people are there? How many boys are there? How many girls are there? Who's there? What is they doing? Or not only that one, with that one in your house, any animals are there, anything is there, what or how many cars you have, all the data they will ask. Okay.
So like secondary data is like.
So this is called so that person is called primary data. So that census is formed. Now I need to study from there. From there I take the data. That is called secondary data.
Like,
understood?
For example, you said that you are going to take max marks from the teacher directly. So we can see it is primary.
Yes, it's primary data. Not teacher directly. Teacher, how did you get primary data? Teacher will come as secondary data now. So the primary data means directly from the student. Secondary data is called I'll tell, okay, all of you bring your paper. I'll show you the mark and write. That is it. Answer sheet. The teacher has all the data. Okay, so that is collected is called secondary data. Okay, are you followed all of you? Now, okay, see here. Solved example, read Arya.
Huh?
Read the solved exercise.
Solved exercise 14.
Ari, read solved heading na question read na.
Divide the students of the class into groups. Allot each group the work of correcting one of the following kinds of data. First, heights of 20 students of the class. Search primary data. So
height of 20 students, so they are collecting, it is called primary data. Second one.
Number of absentees each day in a class for a month. Search secondary data.
So from where you get, it is from a common record you'll get. Okay, that is called secondary data. Okay, in the exercise is there no class unsolved exercise. My dear friend, read the first question. Hey, read the question, unsolved exercise. First question. Blood groups of. Read question I asked. Blood group. Where are you reading? 14.1 is blood group. What is the blood group? Huh? A? Is there a blood group A? A has two parts are there. A positive, A. Do you know what are the blood groups? Only A positive. Which are the blood groups? A positive negative or A negative. Then
B positive.
B positive, B negative. Then
O positive, O negative.
That's all.
A B negative.
A B positive. These are the common. Then A B positive, A B negative. Then Bombay group and all that all separate. Very typical groups are there. Bombay group does not mean that all Maharashtrians are. No. Okay. Chalo. Okay now. So, read the blood group man. Data nahi. Data again. Data. All of you, those who got 5 example, raise the hand. Hello, this girl listening or what? So you got the answer? Okay. Thinking is not there, writing. Examples, those who got, I have to tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Read the question, Arya. Read the question.
Okay.
He did not hear.
Give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day.
Okay. 5 law day-to-day life. How many reason? Okay, what you can collect? 5 you need.
No.
Then what you 5. 5 I need. Those who are 5, you can note down something. Okay. Think and do.
Yes.
Those who wrote. Priyanshi got nothing. Not teachers are not looking teachers. Okay. Those who got at least 1, raise a hand. At least 1. No, you people do not get even a single one. You 2, more than 2, more than 3. You got only 1. 2, more than 3, more than 4, more than 5, 5. Oh. Okay, you tell 1.
Okay, recent acquisition.
Huh?
Recent acquisition. Recent acquisition.
Recent?
Acquisition.
What acquisition? What type of acquisition? Huh?
Takeover and maybe.
Because that is data collecting, recent acquisitions here. From where you take acquisition? Newspaper. That is a acquisition. Acquisition means what type of acquisition?
For example, recently Blackstone acquired
Huh?
700. Like recently, for example, Blackstone acquired 700. Blackstone. Okay, Blackstone Group acquired 700 CR for.
These are the acquisitions here. My acquisition is that you don't study, that is an acquisition, no?
Yes.
You will tell it's an acquisition, no? What do you mean by acquisition?
Let's consider it company.
Tell no, ASP, you can tell anything? Tell now.
Number of students present in the day. Number of
Number of students present in a day in the class. Okay, you.
Number of babies born in a year.
Number of babies born in a year from where you? No? Huh? From where you collect the data? Can you tell what? Huh? Google.
No, sir, I just listened to her, I got the idea.
Number of babies what?
Born in a day.
In a day from where you can collect? Can you tell me again?
Not in my day.
From where you can collect? Question, how will you collect that data?
Like, for example, I can number of subjects have.
Huh?
Number of subjects have.
That is something different you're telling. Yes, you, what you got it anything? Number? Oh, washing in a day. Oh, you? Marks obtained by the student when in the exam. Okay, that is the data. Okay, then. In a building, number of people studying in each class. You mean to say, isn't it? In a building, number of people living in the each. Okay, you. Number of buses in one school. In one school means that is not a okay, you go to your Ramshay, they say that fire. Different schools in our locality. Okay, you. Number of society weather forecast. In a day from where? Actually, the height of students. Hello, height of students of a class. You can collect the data now.
Yes.
Weight of students of a class. You can take the data now. Distance from the classroom. From your students, distance between school and the home.
Yes.
Distance between school and home, all are same thing. Your school may be 2 kilometers, another one say mine is 5 kilometers, another one say 10 kilometers, another one tell okay, half a kilometer. Like, huh? What happened? Okay, these are different data. Okay, are you followed? Okay, he is getting what all 5 data. So you collect the data and give it the acquisitions. How many acquisitions so far you got? What is the main acquisition so far you found out? Is these acquisitions are always true?
Most, yeah.
Tell me one acquisition, a huge acquisition becomes true. When acquisition which is a true, popular acquisition. Okay.
Tata Steel and Forest.
Huh?
Tata Steel and Forest.
Tata
Steel and Forest.
Is what is acquisition?
They basically acquired the whole.
What they did? Acquisition means what? Blame.
Buyout.
Buyout.
Yeah.
You mean acquisition is buyout?
I mean, basically they purchased before, you know. Okay, to be more clear,
Is it acquisition? Word.
yeah, Forest got sold to Tata Steel. Okay, now it's here.
Okay, so who is purchasing? Basically, you are telling who this one. He is into corporate world only. Okay, chalo. Okay, so this one. So this one you can do examples and all this one you can do it as okay. So and out of that one, which is primary data, which is secondary data, you can collect. Okay, this one primary data, secondary data. Sometimes some data I collected from the newspaper that is coming as which one secondary data. Directly it is collecting. It is called this one. Now next is here heading is there. You yes read presentation of data.
Presentation of data. Important facts. Raw data.
Raw data, RAW, raw data. What is the raw data you read?
The data obtained in original form are called raw data or ungrouped data.
Are you followed? What is the meaning of raw data? The data obtained in original form is called means whatever we collected. Okay, number of children in a family. You went to every family and you write. Okay, family 1, this one, or 25 families are there, or 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, like that it will be there. Maximum 4. Okay, 5. No, okay, so whatever it is there, that is called which data? Raw data. Okay, then below. Range. Now these are important points. These all 1 mark questions come, you should know. Okay. Range.
Range. The reference of the highest and the lowest values of the data is called a range of the data.
You know how to calculate the range, all of you followed? The data is given. What is the range of the data means? Check what is the highest value among the data, which is the lowest value among the data. Difference. Okay. If a marks, so today's exam, there was a maths paper was there, it is out of 50. What is the range of mark? What is the range of mark?
0 to 10.
0 to 10. Wrong. 0 to 50 also wrong.
Okay, wait. 50.
He said 50. Range is a number, not from here to here. Okay. And 50 also, it's partially it is wrong.
49.
What? How do you know 49?
Let's consider it.
So you have to immediately range means what are the marks you should. Understand now? So if there are students are there, 25 students are there. The paper was out of 0 to 50. Check who is what is the least mark. If the least mark is 0 means and the largest mark is 50, then what is the range? 50 minus 0, 50. If the least mark obtained is 10 mark and the largest mark is 45, what is the range?
35.
45 minus 10, 35. Are you followed? Okay. Don't tell 0 to 50, 0 to. Range means it is a, what is it range? It is a number, single number value. Okay. Highest value minus. Understood now? All of you know how to find out the range? Okay. Now, after that, now the next is coming as after raw data, because they have given some typing problem they have given. Okay. What happened? All fine now? You are unwell, so now you are all okay now. Okay. Now this data, you have got 50 values are there. This can be represented in 2 different ways. One is called before class interval, it is called ungrouped frequency distribution. What is called? Ungrouped frequency distribution. Like you will see this way. Maybe X and F. Okay. Or suppose it is 3, 6, 8. Generally it is in an ascending order 10, 11, 12. Okay. There are 6, 8, 2, 5, 4. Okay. 6. Okay. X means what about it is? This is called variable or variate. Means what is it? This is about the mark of students. So what is X? This is the mark of the student. F means what is the meaning? Frequency. Do you know what is the meaning of frequency? What is it? Number of times that value is repeating. Okay. Frequency means what? Number of times that value is repeating. Means what is the frequency over here? 6. And what is the variate is there? Variate over 3. Means what? There are, if it is about the marks, means there are how many students? 6 students getting how many marks? 3 marks. And here, what is the meaning of this one? Yes, Sarthak. What is the meaning of this one? So what does it mean? There are 8 students getting how many marks? 6 marks. They will display data, they will ask, okay, how many students are getting maximum marks? 6 students are getting. What is the maximum mark? Okay, like that they will ask. So that is, what is the meaning of this one? There are 4 students are getting how many marks? Okay, how many students are there in this group? Add. These are the students now. Add. So when you add, so add what? 6 plus 8, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 10, 31 students are there. Yes, what happened? 10 and above, check which are the 10 and above. So 10 means this one, 11 is one. How many students are there? 10 and what is the meaning of 10 and above? You tell me. Yeah, look here. If you got 10 marks, how many? So how many the teacher will tell Those who got 10 and above mark, you will stand or not?
What is the range from 5 and 5 to 10?
That we will come now. Class interval part I did not explain now. That we will come. Okay, this is clear now. Okay, this is called what type of distribution? What type? Ungrouped frequency distribution. Frequency distribution means this frequency. Frequency means we group it and make it into this one. Okay, that tabulation is new. This is called ungrouped frequency distribution. Are we followed? Next one. Now, how to make that? You know how to put tally marks?
Yeah.
8th standard also must have studied.
Yes, sir.
Remember, you're not this way. Follow or not? You know how to put the tally mark. Okay. So they will. I will give the question to. Now the second one is called group frequency distribution. Listen here. Group frequency distribution. There are two types of group frequency distribution. You know, anyone knows two types of group frequency? Your class it is done. No, sure, she is in different class. Statistics not done. Exercise. Statistics chapter completed or not? Yeah, exercise. Frequency polygon is graph, my dear. Next class, all of you carry the graph, okay? Next class. Okay, look here. What is it? There, look here. Huh? Who's talking? No. Now look here. What the people? You want to tell something? You want to tell something? So then why people are talking? Look here. Is there any difference between these two? Visibly some difference is there or not?
Yes.
Yes. See what is the difference? But no, forget about what property. What is the difference? It was from 0 till 10. Again it started with 10. Here what is it? 1 to 10, but it is not started from 10. It is gone to 11 and started. See, whatever stopped, it started over here. Here it is there is a gap is there, isn't it? After 10. This is called, tell, whatever you know, tell her. It's too much. My dear is beautiful. Look here. This is no. This is not histogram, is graph. This is not graph, this is graph. This is data. You're not data representing is called graphical representation. That is a movie. Now, this is called continuous. Okay, this is called continuous. See, continuous. Are you following what is continuous? See, after that, this is called discontinuous or discrete. Okay, what is it? Discontinuous. Why it is discontinuous? See, there is a gap in there. So there is some gap is there now. So after that only. It's called discontinuous, or another word is called what? Discrete. Okay, discontinuous or discrete. Okay, now listen now. Follow this one. These both are called group frequency distribution.
So having no gap, we can say it is continuous. Having gap, we can say it is discrete.
Discrete or discontinuous. Okay, understood now? Now, both of them are called, what is the one? Group frequency distribution. Previously, we said as what? Ungrouped frequency. Then this is a group, it is coming now. Okay, so I will write that also here. Like for example. Why are you pushing this? Don't bring. You will tell about 700 crore to power. So not even divided by how much? Maybe 20,000. Yes, what do you think? 3, 5, 6, 7. 8. Okay, that is there. 4, 5, 2, 1, 4. Okay, so 3 ways I have represented. Okay, now let's compare and study this one. In this one, first one, what is the first one? It is coming over here. Its corresponding variable and frequency is given. In this one, what is it? Class interval and frequency. This also class interval and frequency is given. Here I know what is the, suppose it is marks only. I know there are 4 students are getting how many marks? 3 marks. There are 5 students are getting. Now look here. This means there are 3 students are getting marks between 0 and 10. Do you know who got what mark? There are 3 students are there. Maybe it can be all 3 got 5 marks. Maybe one is 2 mark, another is 3 mark, another is 4 mark, or like that. You know, have you followed the difference? Okay. Here also, what is the meaning? There are 3 students are getting marks from 1 to 10. Now, what is the difference between these two? Over here, see 10 is here and 10 is here. Suppose if a child got 10 marks, does it belong to the first or second? Belongs to the second. Okay, belongs to the second group. What happens? You want to put in the first group? Huh? What she says? She wrong. You made it wrong. Is not. Why it is means, you know, that is always beneficial, na? You know, grades are given. Grades are there, na? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Suppose if you, this is, okay, this is A1. This is A2. This is B1. And this is B2. If you got 10 mark, you feel good in B1 or B2, what do you feel better? So I understood or not? Okay, 30 mark. No, I don't want. They are more than 30. I will tell. I will tell you. No, they are in. Understood or not? So that is all. These are reasons are there. Okay. So what is the meaning of this one? Means the values between 0 to 10. 0 is included. 10 is excluded. What is the meaning of this one? Value between 1 and 10, both of them are included. See, both are included. Here, not 11 now. Both are included. Okay, what is the meaning of 11 to 20? Value between 11 and 20, both are included. Are you followed the difference? This is called continuous and this is called the discontinuous. So, 20 belongs to which class interval?
26.
You. Huh?
That third one, right?
Third.
Okay.
Third, tell now which class interval?
Okay,
20 to 30. Are you followed? For 30 belongs to which class interval? 2. 30 to 40. Don't which class interval means 30 to 40. Okay, look here. Now, look all of you here. I am going to take this one. Which class interval I have taken? Mark 20 to 30. Now we are going to give one by one. This 20 is called, anyone knows? Lower limit or lower class limit. Okay, what is 30 called? Upper limit or upper class limit. What is 6 called? Frequency. Are you followed? What is 20? Lower limit. What is 30? Upper limit. And what is 6? Frequency. 6 means you have followed. Certain more words. Do you know what is the size of the class? Somewhere you will see size. There will be say width or height. Do you know how to find out? Upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit minus lower limit? 30 minus 20. 10. She's counting. 30 minus 20 is 10. No? Okay, are you followed? What is the class size? 10. Or class width 10. Are you followed? Upper limit minus lower limit. There is another word I said, class mark. Do you know how to find out class mark? CLA. Yes. Again, I will tell this word. Okay, class mark is equal to lower limit. LL I wrote as what is meaning of LL? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by. What is the meaning of class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit. If you have to remember, okay. Questions will be coming. What is it? There is a class interval will be given. For example, question 1 mark, very simple only. What is the upper limit? So what will be your answer? 30. What is the frequency? 6. That way identifying only you have to do it. What is the class mark? 20 plus 30 divided by 2. What is 20 plus 30? 50 by 2. Are you followed? Okay. Are you followed this one? What happened? Class mark. Like 20 to 30 is called class interval. Okay, 20 to 30 is called which one? Class interval. For which class interval has frequency 6? So we'll tell 20 to 30. Which class interval in this one? Which class interval has frequency 8? 21 to 30. Are you followed out? Answering is very important. Because this statistics sometimes we know the things, but the answer you have to give it proper. Now the thing is, now the question comes in the exam. If the prepare the table, should we do this way or should we do this way? It will be specified in the question. Prepare a class interval with this one. You know how to prepare? Yes or no? Suppose if the table values are given, for example, if the values are given this way. This many values are given. Whose hand is paying? Some throwing them. Okay. This is the this following are the marks obtained by students. Simple, okay, marks obtained by the students. Okay, this is not 1, this is 4. This is 7, she's counting how many marks. Okay, this is one person's mark, this is common and second person. Okay, no need to count anything. This much is clear. Prepare class interval with frequencies like they will tell us, let's say 2 to 4, 4 to 6, etc. 4 to 6, etc. Okay, then what did you do? Check. Is it 2 to 4 is there? Is it the least value is 2? Is it least value is 2? Yes.
No. It's
1. So that means before 2 to 4 means what should be before that one? 0 to 2. You cannot do 1 to 2, no? Yes or no? Then you will write 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, till 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18. Okay. Now what happened?
So in this class interval, 0 is the included value and 2 is the excluded one.
When I was explaining, not here, you were sleeping or? No, you were not sleeping. In 0 to 2, 0 is included, to upper limit always excludes if it is continuous. If it is continuous, always both are included. Are you followed? If you, no. All of you write down. Right. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 are called continuous group frequency distribution. Continuous group frequency distribution. Continuous what? Group frequency distribution. Written all of you? Okay. Continuous grouped frequency distribution. Should I write on the board? Okay. Here, lower limit is right here. Lower limit is included. Comma, upper limit is not included. Lower limit is included, upper limit is not included. All of you clear now? All of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Below. Next class interval I am going to tell you. Completed. Completed or not? Okay. Next one, right? 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Are called discontinuous DIS. Or discrete. Discrete frequency, discrete group frequency distribution, discrete group frequency distribution. Okay, they may be given this way: group frequency with the continuous class interval or discrete. Okay, here, here, what did you write? Both lower limit and upper limit are included. Here both lower limit and upper limit are included. Are you followed? Yes or no, Sarthak? That's all of you. No. So I made all the class intervals. If always check which is the least one and which is the largest one. Which is the largest one here? 18. So 18 is not 15. You have to make 18 to 20. Now, next heading will put us tally marks. Okay. This is, if I write CI means, you know what the meaning of CI? Class. Okay, tally mark. So this now I make everywhere tally mark for you. Okay. Now look how to put the tally mark. 0 to 2. All of you listen. What is the meaning of 0 to 2? It can be 0, 1. 2 is there? No. So let me count how many zeros are there. Not that way. It's wrong. Because you will miss the value sometimes. What do you do means, what, put the finger. What have you put out there? 4. Where it will come? 4 to 6. Then I put. Where I put?
16 to 18.
Are you following? The next finger, no, same finger. 12 to. Are you followed? Next one. 16 to 18. Are you followed? This way you will put. Suppose if I put this one, it is somewhere, suppose if it is coming at this much. Then after that, what do you do? Then start with them. All of you know how to make now? Okay, so I'm going to make you to do this one for this value, okay? Let's say class interval with 0 to 4. So little more strong. 0 to 4 means what will be the class interval? All of you do in a book. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, then 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. Tally marks. All of you know those are not followed technique. Then after that we have one more column. That column later into it. This has to be done with the scale and pencil boxes. Okay. No need to copy the numbers. No. You can see and write. If you want to copy them, copy them. Okay. I will move to the side. Without all of you looked into. Arya, that means why you're talking? How many of you done? Shh, don't look into others. Why means this is counting only. Your counting is correct or your counting is correct. Don't ever try to copy from others. You're correcting you because there is no calculation. Counting only. Okay, maybe by mistake. See, she's also correct. Don't look. Okay. Those who are done, make another column and write 3 which not from FR and write how many of them. All are done. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. This side. Fast. Priyanshi. It's a counting sheet. Write the total also here. Time over. Okay now. Done. How many of you got the total as 32? 1. How many of you got the total as 31? How many of you got the total as no? How many of you got the total as 33? 33 is the total correct first of all. So you missed one value. Understood? Now, okay. Yes. Yes, you tell the frequencies what all you got. First one.
Okay, first 3, then 8, 6, 10.
10. How many of you got this one? Actually, all you got difference. You difference. How many of you got 3? All of you got 3 same. How many of you got 8? Got, you can see 4 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 7 is the answer, so if this is wrong. You got 7. Okay, you can make the correction. Tell me. This is 7.
3, 7, 7, 6, 10.
How many of you got this one?
2, sir.
Your- What is your data? Arey tell na. Arey here, madam. This is 3. Arey tell you read the frequency.
3,
Huh? Again 7 and 9. 10.
2, 9, class.
Then now what is your total?
Second, 10.
Look here, first and foremost thing, counting. I will give the question now. Look here, counting is only the thing. You people are making mistakes. The teachers will not see arrange, but you are correct. One mistake means the table is considered as wrong. Huh? What's 33 is total does not mean that you are marking you are correct. Are 33 you also got 33.
So now you
Now look now. See, you have to be careful. Okay, it's that is the one thing. Only one answer is correct, not that more than one answer should be correct. Quick, let's do one question. Okay. All of you other answer is this is the answer, I suppose. You already this is the answer you got. What did you get? 8 is not there. We said no, it is. Okay, now. All right. Done. Yeah. Okay, now. Come to the classwork exercise 14.2 has lot of sums are there. Okay. Now, you textbook, take out the textbook. Only. Arya. Chalo. Taken? Okay. Yeah, okay. So here it is coming as okay, read the blood groups. Okay, blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Represent the data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Okay, that the remaining part is which most common and all later we'll find out. How to make the frequency distribution table? You will write, this is not grouped. Is it grouped or ungrouped? You cannot group now. First you will write blood group. How many blood groups are there?
4.
Which are they?
A, B, and O.
A, B,
O,
A, O, A, okay, O, A,
A,
B. Okay, all of you do this one, tally mark, all of you do. First, make the tally mark. 1 minute time you have to complete. Very easy. Next class, no sharing, okay? Fast. Don't delay it. Hmm. Governing. Done. Done. We are done. All of you done. Those that understand. Why these people are going? Rahi is taking a lot of time. How is it down, all of you? Okay, one of them who will tell the one. Okay, you tell what is the frequency for A? 9. Okay, if B 6, then
4, 12,
Ah.
8,
AB 3, 9.
12, 3.
So 9 means your tally mark should be this way. Okay. 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 This was got totally wrote.
13.
All of you got the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, so this is done now. Now, simple one. Okay, from here, there are always after doing this question, read because there are sub parts are there. 1 marks will be there. What is it? Which
The most common.
is the most common? So right, most common is O. How many of you are O in this group? Whose blood group is there? O. Nobody knows one O. Nobody. But don't worry, not O, don't wait. Please. Only one O is there. What is your blood group? You? You're positive. You're positive. B positive. B positive. You are B positive, but you are B negative. Please. B positive. Yeah. Positive. Any negative people are there? Negative are there.
So you
Mine is all positive. Okay, so tell me. So, and which is the rarest one? AB. So, right. Did you write? Any AB is here? No. In your class, all are B positive. Okay. Rarest one is? Okay. Okay. B positive. All are B positive. Question number 2. Read the question. I'll read all. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from the residence to the workplaces was found. Okay, construct a group frequency distribution table of class size 5 from the data above, taking the first class interval as 0 to 5. 5 is not included. So, which is the largest value? 32. Anyone has seen? 32 is there. Below that, above 32 is there. No. So first you will write distance. Class interval means distance in kilometer. Getting right? Distance in kilometer. Who is that? It's already given now. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. 5 is not included. It's already obviously it is. Then 5 to 10. Look here, don't miss any class. All of you stop writing. All of you stop writing and look here. When you write it is easy. Sometimes you write this way 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Why? Because if you miss one class interval, you have to cut everything and rewrite. You cannot insert in between because one line only now. So that is why make sure that you then write 50. Whichever convenient, I am just showing this 30, 35. Okay, now put the tally marks. all of you. And the number of NGOs. That is called frequency. What is the new? Distance in kilometers. Don't see the answer.
I know.
Again.
What?
Huh? There is no need of any break. When you are not there, will nobody ask what we say. When you come only all these problems start. This thing that we all quietly do. When Rahi comes to me, sir, break is not good. What is it? The behind. Don't God tell reason. I am seeing this the examination, any answer will be there in the behind. Friends, you copy. These are very easily scoring marks. So yes. Only done 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I feel nicely. After when did you do before everyone? Next year. Don't change, make. I'm seeing there are people are changing. Hello. Yes, Mr. Apna. Don't want Sunam name. His answer.
Okay. 5, 11,
Double 11.
Yes. 9, 1,
2. How many of you got this one? 3 people. And the second, first you got this one. No. Who got different answer? What is your answer?
6, 8, 11, 9.
5 is itself is yours completely wrong.
6.
8. Sorry, 11 and 8. What difference is there? Who got nearby and different answer? What is your answer? 5, 10. This is 10. I agree 5, 11. No, it is 11. She is 8. 11. All of you got this 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you got this 2?
Yes.
All of you got this 1?
Yes.
This 1?
Yes.
Okay. How many of you got this 9?
Yes.
9 also. Okay. These 2 only problem now.
Quality of the problem.
So this is correct. What is your problem? Oh, very good. Yeah, very good. Got the same answer now? Okay, good. Okay. Shh. There is question is there. What main features do you observe in this tabulation? Anything you observe? Nothing you observe. So right, nothing observed in this tabulation. Teacher, oh, very good. You can see now most of the people are staying where? Below
5 to 10.
below 20 kilometers. Yes or no? After that, only 1 or 2, hardly some people, no? Okay. But below how many? 20, no? Maximum people, most of the majority of the engineers are staying within 20 kilometers. Between 20 kilometers. What are from till here now? What is the meaning of this one? Majority is staying till here now. The remaining only 4 now. Total was how much? 40. So out of 40, if you remove these 4, means all of them are less than 20 kilometers, no? Yes or no? Understood or not? So right, most of the engineers, almost all the engineers, almost all the engineers are staying less than 20 kilometers. Done, still less than 20, still mistakes are coming, carefully do it, okay. Priyanshi, done, read the next question, Priyanshi. Third one. Humidity. No need to read the neighboring part. So is it continuous or discrete? How discrete? 84 to 86, 86 to 88, continuous. Continuous or discrete? Continuous. Now check first of all, is it starting from 84 least value? Check all of you. 83 is there? Somebody said 83.
Sorry,
84. Largest value? 90. 90. Third value is 99.2. She is getting 9. Dia, I give you a specs to Dia. Okay, yes, right. Okay, so right, humidity. Right, getting right, relative humidity. I hope all of you following. Yes. Percentage, okay. 84 to 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. Who is this one? Who fell down? Without mistake. Without mistake, do it now. Make it 1 page, okay, not half in 1 page. Decimals naturally you see now. 84.9 is in here. It tell me one like that. Okay. If this man is not doing copy,
No.
and this is even not doing, this lazy person. Online people are doing. Anshul,
Yes, sir.
who is there at home?
Why?
You are the only one at home. Nobody is there. Who is there at
I
home?
have
And
a mother.
mother is there now. I'll ask mommy to come and check your notebook. You're doing now.
Yes.
Srinidhi, who is at home?
Everyone.
Everyone means tell one name other than you.
Mama.
Mama. I'll tell Mama to come and take the book. Doing now. And Vivan, who is there at home?
Mom.
Mom. I'll ask mom to come and check the book. Doing now.
Yes.
Please, otherwise in between I'll call the parents and tell them to check the book. Do it. These are simple ones only. Not in fast to completing, without mistake completing is very important. Hey, why are you threatening us? So, who many of you got the answer? Oh, so, asking. Don't compare the answer. How do you know yours may be correct?
It is same.
Then both are wrong.
So it is arranged in 2, 4,
Done, all are completed.
8, 6,
Okay.
10.
Now this time Diya is the answer. Let me see. What does? Huh? Tell na. What? Hey. Shh. I tell na one. Then. Hey. I know what you done. Exam 0 you'll get. 2.
6, 7, 4.
Have you got this one?
Yes, so
I did not write it properly. Okay. How many of you got the different answer? Anyone got different answer? I am telling you something. Where? This way, your teacher will give any mark for this one?
what?
Then show me. I will let others also see. Anyone feel this teacher will give without any marks? My dear, this even not doing me. I will tell you, your brother is in which class? It's the brother. Sir, you are the chotu. Smallest one. Huh? The smallest one. In which class? Third standard. I tell you also consider in third standard. Arey, then what is it? 1, 2, 3 is studying only, no? And this also counting. She will do better than you. I am telling you seriously. Partner is there now. I have the number. Sorry. Next question. Okay. So the next one. Hi. Read the next question. Hey, before that. Next question. Hey, before. Question. There are parts. Which month of season do you think it is about? Humidity, no. Humidity is more no. Rainy season. Okay. What is the range of the data?
84.
What is the largest value?
15.
Largest is 100. Largest value is how much?
90.
Largest is 99.2.
2.
And the least? 84.1.
Sorry.
Are you sure? Huh? Therefore, range. What will be range? Huh? That is 90 times 0.2 minus 84.1, which is equal to 15.1. Okay, written? You know it. But how many letters he made mistake? 84.1 is not there in the data. No data. Nowhere. There are people all said 84.1. A for Mary at 84.1.
84.9.
Then who said? Then who said 15.1? Rahi only said. No, yeah. How much is the value? 84.9 only. Yes or no?
14.3.
Finally, all
14.3.
subtraction addition may even okay. Finding the value also understood. Actually, what one will see, others will write. You people don't see only one shouted. Rahi said 84.1. So what is finally Sandika only has to tell this is wrong. Very good, Sandika. I okay. Then read below. So continuous or discontinuous? Continuous. So first you have to find out what? What you have to check first? No. What is smaller value? Which is the smallest value check?
150.
But below 150, anything is there? Check. Later don't tell. All of you check? 150. So you can start with 150. What is the largest value? Check.
170.
172.
173. 173.
173. Yes or no? Beyond that it is there? Okay. So make the class interval from 150. Class interval from 150. At least do this question, my friend. 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. Till there only now. Okay. 170 to 175 only now. What are you writing? Oh, madam, where is 150? Wrong now, that is. Here, the first data is from where? I start painting. From where it has to start? What is the first class interval? What is that?
160.
That is wrong.
Oh, that way I didn't.
That way you have to do now. Then how? Arya, do seriously. Now I what problem is there? Array, again you are making mistake, my dear.
150.
But check which you look at the data and see which is the smallest one. 150 where will mark? Then what? You have don't look here. Okay, look here. This one among least and largest you have to see. Then you have to decide which class interval. Hi. See where I will switch it off. Switch off means everyone will shout. Hello. You only this one. Who? You will sit, go to this side. Okay. Or what is okay for what? Hmm. This is not the way to do. You also doing counting and doing. No, sir.
No.
He is doing proper. Done. One is close. Put the fingers over there and move the finger. You must have missed one. Not in a hurry. Don't make mistake. That's only. Okay, okay. If it's not the total 50 means it's correct. Hey, Sanika, quietly do the work. Both were talking, that means you are the one talking more. I was thinking always Rahi is talking, see?
Hello?
Hey, Sanika,
It's cottage.
you close the book. Work is done now. So she will not copy now. You are showing her and you are telling she is copying. Hello, fingers should not go behind. My dear, in the examination, all answer will be there behind. Then what is the point copying and showing me? I need to be proud. I know what's checking, I feel. Well, Tariman. Hey. Okay. No, should not go moving on. Okay, how many have you completed other than these girls, Anika? Or Priyanshi? Arya, what is it? Half of or half?
Almost.
What happened? You are not well? Relax. Okay, Priyanshi, give the answers.
Wait. Well,
Hmm.
93, 40, 26, 10, 5.
Good. Very good. Purna, your counting if mistakes are going on. Be careful, not in a hurry. Slowly do it. You have to keep your fingers out there and slowly do it. You put, practice. You know, table one value teacher will give maximum out of this is 3, 4 mark, 1 mark. What is it? Then what if the mistake is the teacher? Okay, no problem. No, small mistake. Huh? Then what do you think that as a table? So if the wrong thing written, okay, teacher, oh, count the pages. So take the scale and measure how much you written. Okay, mark. Like that. So, huh? Still it is okay. So then according to your number of pages and we count the mark. Those who write. Okay, we will. Okay, when you become the teacher, you give mark. Okay. I'll tell mommy. Okay. Okay, so what is the answer? What you can conclude from the heights of the table? Anything conclude, okay.
Highest star, high people, lowest star.
But you can see most of the high students are in this one category, no? 162, 165, okay, or 165 to 170, okay. 160 to 160 to most of them are from here to here, okay. Not much difference, okay. Oh, you are. What is your height? 163. So yours is what? 121. 150. What do we stand up? How about we stand up now? It's okay. Okay, then why you are comparing? Will you forget now? Oh, all right. Last question. One more. Or a lot of questions. Not last question. Sorry. My God will come. Okay, Tavish, read the question. Break. I'll give break only. She needs. Before that, never asked the down break only. She only came my question. Read the question, Tavish.
A study was conducted on concentration of sulfur dioxide.
Yeah. What is that said? Not there behind it. Okay.
A study
No.
was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows.
Then make the
Make a ground
grouped frequency
distribution table for this data with class interval of 0.00
to 0.04 and 0.4 to 0.8 and so on. Which is the largest value? 20 is there, 22. Okay, so you have to, this is about the sulfur dioxide now. So it is coming as all 0. All of you have followed now. You can make the table and it's easy now. So 0.00 till 0.04. Double zero or single zero? Yes, yes. Then 0. Be carefully do 0.4. That here I will tell you. It's written now. What is it? Read the question. Not class interval. Okay. Concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm. Bracket ppm. Concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm. 0.08 to 0.12. 12 to 16. 1 to 2. 0.20. What happened then? That is not all writing decimal. Yes, it's given. Yeah. Arya Bindra. Your Arya Bindra only, no? Satish Diya. Keep doing, but maths. Wait na, Purna, like Althea would lay not that she got full mark. Which Hindi getting math not getting mark. These are which chapter is from? Circles. What will have to long back? Please don't see a lot of absence. Complete, listen, this we can complete all of you? No. Who said that no? Huh? Half the time you don't do anything, you sleep away home. When she was not there in Priya, she was not there, anyone asked for break. All these months,
She said, yeah.
anyone asked for the break, cannot answer. Who was the
See.
You did that. I did not hear. And she was good, blah, blah, blah. Diya. Yeah. Diya will say my other sense. Oh, because you are talking.
No.
Those who completed, tell me and we will start. Who? And what the topic at all? Was completed? Is program completed? What is the frequency you got? What is the frequency?
Okay, 5, 9, 10,
4, 5, 9, 10. She is getting 4, 8, 10. This is wrong. Yours. Thinking. Galat hai, because people are just talking and laughing and doing it now. Chalo. You have to focus in this and do it. Half of the time both are sitting and talking now. That's it. She is talking. Hello, go. 499 242. Right? Is it 499 242?
4 and 9.
Rahi and 9?
Is it 4?
Those say completed comment. You say no. You have to complete as well. Yeah, no? Complete at least. Don't talk it all. See you in the next class. Listen all of you. Okay. Next class, graph paper and scale section. Graph book is there, graph book. Or graph paper 5, 6 minutes. Okay. Okay. Graph paper is the linear equation to graph.
No.
No.
No.